Sat Shri Akal, and I'm humbled to have you back on my channel. Starting with a foundation shade that is a bit lighter than my skin tone, and I am applying it on all the areas where I wish to highlight my face. Next, I am using a more richer tone to contour my face, and I just want this contour to look as natural as possible, and that's why I'm using a bigger brush. Do you like contouring, or do you repel it? Do you think it is tough, or do you love it? What is it? Comment down below. So yes, I am just doing a basic contour, and now for the brows, I am just going to fill in my brows with the natural shape that it is, except for the arch, and that's because I naturally have rounded eyebrows, whereas I do not prefer them. I don't know why, probably because of the society, but then yes, that is what I am going to do with my brows. So here are my brows, as you can see, and I did not try to make them look similar. Next, I have just applied a highlighter shade under my brow bone. Oh my god, I love the shine of it, though you cannot see it on camera, but when I saw it in real life, I loved it. It's the same highlighter I'm going to apply later in the video. Tell me if you like it. So now I have applied a fainted shade of orange. So I am going to use 4 to 5 different shades, and what I am going to do is I laid down the first shade, and for the next one, first I am going to use a mixture of the first and the second shade, and that's when I move on to the second shade. Similarly, for the next shade, I am going to use a mixture of the second and the third, and then move on to the third, and so on. Like, if you want me to do a separate tutorial on this, I can surely do that. All you have to do is comment down below. That's it, and I'll do it for you. So yes, I am also using a mixture of eyeshadows in this because I wanted to create a look that has tones of what I want to portray in it, and that is why I have used a mixture of a maroon, pink and oranges, and even some yellow tones, but the yellow is so slightly used that you cannot recognize it. Copying the same for the next eye, copying the same for the other eye. That is the look that we have achieved so far. I guess I like it. Now for the highlighter, because well, I want that glass skin so bad. So yes, that is what I am doing. Now for the lips, I like to overline my lips, but I stick to the 2-finger rule. So starting with the 2 fingers from the center of my lips, that is the only area where I overline it from, and with the rest of the lip, I try to connect the overlined line with my natural lip line, and that is what I do. And another tip, and another great tip for you: if you want your lipstick to stay longer or stick longer, then fill your entire lips with the lip liner, and that is what makes it stay longer. If you don't believe me, then go try it out. I mean, seriously, go try it out. You'd find it out yourself. Using a liquid matte lipstick, I am applying it over the area where I applied my lip liner, and in the further steps I am going to use more shades of lipstick. Like, I'm going to use a pink shade of lipstick, and that's why I want to apply a thick coat of red, because I do not want the red to dry out, because I have to blend both those shades in. So yes, that is what I am doing now. And before the red one dries, I am applying this amazing pink shade, and that's because I want to create a look that is somewhat similar to my eye look, and I want my lips to complement my eyes and not to look like there are two different looks. And so yes, I am experimenting on my lower lip as of now, so just to see if it matches the eye look or not. I guess I am so far sold, and so I'll do it for the upper one as well. Yeah, I guess I like it. Do you? Do you like it? If yes, tell me. So yes, now for the upper lip, I am going to follow a similar approach, and just like a beauty blender, I am going to dab my finger all over my lips because I don't know, it's kind of like a personal preference, but I feel that this blends things better and I feel better with it. So yes, that's what I do. I love me, I do me, like I love what I do. So yes, that is that, and I guess I am so far satisfied with the lips. Now for the blusher, I am faintly using a blusher, and that is because the eyes are bold, the lips are bold, and I do not want the blusher to take any limelight away from my makeup. And so I am just faintly using a brush to apply some little amount of blusher, and that is that. I guess I am so far satisfied with the blusher. Yeah, I guess. But I'll just swipe it some more. So now for the bottom line, I'm again mixing all those shades that I did above, and I am applying it on my bottom, and I am applying it on my bottom lash line. Next, some mascara, and I cannot tell you how much I love mascara. Is the look so far, and I love it. I love it completely. But my maternal grandmother came in and she told me to apply some eyeliner, so I'm gonna do that as well. So now here is the trick part. Tell me if you do like it as is, the way I like it, like I love it that way. But or if you do like it with the eyeliner. So whatever you do like, do comment down below and let's see which one wins. And don't forget to be kind, remain humble, and exalt wisdom.